Hi children, happy morning to all. In this video, today we are going to learn about fractions. Do you have any idea about the fractions? Okay, let's discuss about the fractions. What is a fraction and what are the parts of the fractions are there that we are going to be discussed today. Okay, now just imagine that you have a big bar chocolate. Okay, and which is divided into four pieces, and you have given to one piece to your friend. Now tell me children, how much of chocolate that do you have now? 3 out of 4, right? 3 pieces out of 4. So here the fraction is nothing but how much of chocolate that do you have, that represents the fraction here. See here, we have total 3 pieces out of 4 pieces. So the fraction is 3 by 4 is a fraction. Okay. Now, if the same question is like this, see how much of chocolate that you have given to your friend. See here, one piece. This one piece is given to your friend, right? So for this, to calculate how much of chocolate that you have given to your friend means, first of all you have to observe how many parts are given to your friend. Here only one part is given to your friend out of 4 parts. So the mathematically we should write like this: one part out of 4 parts. This is represents a fraction. Okay, that means a fraction is nothing but a part in a whole. A part in a whole. So fraction is a part of a whole thing. Okay. Now we will go for the some more examples. Okay. Let us see, if a fraction is like this, 2 by 4. That means out of 4 pieces, you have 2 pieces only. In this situation, we represent as 2 by 4. Suppose if you have a chocolate of 8 equal pieces like this. Among the 8 pieces, you have taken 3 pieces. Then what is the fraction for this means? First of all, we should observe how many parts are there in it. The total parts we should write in the bottom like this. Totally we have 8 pieces, so that 8 will be right in the bottom of the fraction. And in the top of the fraction, what we should write means the number of parts that we have taken. So here totally we have taken 3 parts, right? So we should write like this: 3. This is about the fraction. Okay. Here now take one more example. See here, it is a pizza which is in the shape of a circle. This pizza is divided into 8 slices here. Totally 8 slices are there. This one slice is given to you. Okay, this slice is given to you. Then here the question is how much of pizza that you have. That means you are taken one part out of 8 part. So this is the fraction for this one part of the pizza. If you took 2 pieces, then the fraction is 2 by 8. Okay. Now let's come to the point. What are the parts are there in the fraction? Let us take an example. Here 3 by 8 is a fraction. 3 by 8, it's a fraction. In this fraction we have 2 parts. One is at top and another number is at bottom. the top number is called numerator. What we call it as numerator. The top number is called numerator. On the bottom number is called denominator. The top number represents how much of the pot that we have, whereas the bottom number represents the total number of pots. Total number of pots represents the denominator. Okay. Now see, the top number 3 is represents numerator. On the bottom number 8 represents the denominator. Denominator represents the total pots, whereas the numerator represents the number of pots that we have. Okay. Now try this. Come on children. Now we will try to answer the question here. Here the question is, if a cake is divided into 6 equal parts and you eat 2 pieces. Now the question is, what fraction of cake did you eat? So for this sake, first of all, what we should observe means, first of all, we should observe the total number of parts. Out of total number of parts, how many parts that you have eaten? Okay. So see here the total number of parts is 6. So the 6 should write as a denominator. And the number of parts that you have taken, 2 pieces, right? So that 2 pieces you should write on top, that is as a numerator. So the fraction is 2 by 6 is a fraction for the cake that you have. Okay. Let us take some more example. If a cake is like this and which is divided into 4 parts and 2 parts are given to your friend. Now tell me children, what is the fraction for this? So first of all, we should observe total number of parts in it. Here the total number of parts is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of parts is 4. Out of 4, how many parts that you have given to your friend means 2 parts are given to your friend, right? So that 2 should write on the top as a numerator. So 2 by 4 is a fraction for this. Okay. Now in a fraction 2 by 4, what is numerator? Yes, 2 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. This is all about just a simple fraction. In next video, we will learn about the types of fractions and additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions of the fraction. Now, you should practice the worksheet which is given at the end of the video. Okay?
Sir, మేడం, ఇది విద్యార్థులకు ఖచ్చితంగా ఉపయోగపడే సమాచారం కాబట్టి మీరు మీ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్స్ లో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయగలరని ప్రార్థన. మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ నందు విలువైన ఆసక్తికరమైన సమాచారం కొరకు మా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయగలరు. అభినందనలతో మీ ఆల్ఫా యంగ్ మైండ్స్.